Coast Guard boat getting ready to go through, and the bridge is closed already. There he is.
Who's that?
Hey, Brian!
Hey, Brian! Woo-hoo! He's such a nice guy.
So we're about 5 minutes after the bridge is closed. Here are probably 30 boats waiting here to go through. We never did get eastbound, just westbound boats through.
I guess we'll have to go by Brian's boat again. Oh yeah, Brian's in the Coast Guard. Go up to the Coast Guard boat. I'll see if I can get a picture.
Can't get too close because they got the Coast Guard surrounding them.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
See, there's one right here.
Yeah.
These
Yeah.
boats.
Okay.
They don't want you to be too close.
Brian's on that one, I guess.
You get too close, it's unhealthy.
Is this the boat Brian's on? Right here.
You can get a shot with the barge coming through.
I will.
Yeah.
Coast Guard.
Yes.
Okay, here's another thing that probably they didn't think about. We have a lot of commercial stuff that comes through this passage. We're looking at a barge right now coming through. They're very slow and very limited in their ability to maneuver. There's another thing when they were making all these decisions.
He takes right over.
This is Towboat US towing a disabled boat. He takes priority over all traffic. He's also very limited in his ability to maneuver. Going through this narrow passage here with a disabled boat in tow. This probably happens at least once or twice every weekend, perhaps even more.
No, probably every hour.
Here's a good illustration. In this particular case, we have two center console boats, fairly narrow beams. They can pass through under the bridge side by side. However, if you get a large vessel coming through, one of the boats has to wait for the large vessel to get through. There is not enough room to safely maneuver up against these. As you notice right here, they're large concrete block siding there. That will rip a boat to shreds if you rub up against it. Over here, not much better. Very large pilings.
Okay, here's your Coast Guard. Right past you.
Okay. Here we go. Get a hold of this one, Jay.
This is Brian Mast here on the Coast Guard vessel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Brian!
Thank you, Brian.